Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in some hotel. It means I'm on a layover. If you don't know me, let me tell you. I'm a cabin crew, one of the well-known airline, and I am in Singapore right now, and I'm gonna take you around with me. I'm gonna show you a little bit, what I do in Singapore. So it's Asia, the climate would be either hot or humid. So I'm just wearing a long skirt and t-shirt, and of course my Charles and Keith. I'm a big fan of Charles and Keith, and I would rather buy a lot of Charles and Keith bags than buying any other branded expensive bag. So yeah, this is it. Let's go. I am pretty much hungry right now, trying to find a good place. Surprisingly, the weather is so good right now. It's not really summer, thankfully. So I finally got something halal. I came here. Ordered some shawarma. Just in case if you want to come to here and eat and try. The food is here. I just found this street little pretty, so I just came just to look around what they have. It is so clean and pretty. Kind of a cafe, spa, restaurants. So finally I tied my hair. I was pretty annoyed by my hair as always. So yeah, I'm heading back to the mall. I have to buy a few things for my love and for myself. So I'm gonna go and grab it quickly. Then I might go back to my hotel room and rest for a while. I don't know how many times I've been here in Singapore, and every time I just roam around. So I've been here like 5 times already, and I love it. Such a chill place. Such a clean place. People are so nice. Definitely. I love to come here again and again, no matter what. It's same like to be honest, I love any Asian countries, regardless whichever country whichever country I go. I love Asian sectors. The hotels are nice, the people are nice, the food is good, and plus it's economically also. I picked up only these stuff. I was trying out the lipstick, but those are very light. I mean, it's gonna be very hydrating. I was trying this lipstick, but I don't think so. It's gonna be long lasting. Love this pimple patch, and I love the moisturizer as well. I mean, I'm gonna purchase this again for sure. Australian brand, but since I tried their product, I love it. And even my love, he loves this face wash, so I'm buying this one for him. So far I bought only face wash, pimple patch, the face wash. I guess that's it. I'm done with my shopping. And of course I'm in Singapore, and I will definitely go to Charles and Keith. I cannot miss it. Even though I'm not gonna buy anything for sure, I have to see around. I love this brand. 38, yeah. I'm literally so late that I have like only 25 minutes or 20 minutes. Like, I came back to the hotel. I was trying to pack up my stuff, and then I was chilling a bit, and then I realized, oh my god, it's already my pickup time, and I don't really have enough time to sleep or rest. So I guess I'm just gonna start getting ready and prepare for my flight. So yeah, this was it. This was my vlog. If you like my vlogs, or if you would like to see more, subscribe. Subscribe, like and follow, and show some love. Hey guys, मैं चली फ्लाइट पे. सी ऑल मेरे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग पे. एंड अगर आपको मेरे व्लॉग अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, whatever you would like to do. And bye. Take care. Bye.